Alright, so the big reveal is that I'm gonna try to do some stripes on it. I just realized something terrible. Somebody backed into my edge the other day. I didn't notice until this other morning where I was walking around it just admiring its curves. Next thing I know is this, which got me so pissed off. It looks so mean. I like that grill. I know there were mixed reviews on it. Well, not mixed reviews. There were all negative reviews on it about the performance and the speed and it not being an ST. But I mean, you gotta admit it's a really aggressive stance, features. So, what the hell? That's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna try to do some white vinyl stripes. I've seen a lot of videos on how to do the stripes, so hopefully I'll get it right. If not, then I'll just peel them off and start over again. Alright, so wish me luck. We got the Edge ST in here. Wasn't able to remove that scratch from it. It looks pretty bad. I'm gonna try to invent some type of accent stripe to it. So we're gonna start with the layout for the stripes. I still gotta clean it with alcohol. I wasn't able to dry it up when I washed it yesterday. So we're gonna try to take some of those stains off with alcohol and some microfiber cloth. I'm gonna use the same style setup as the ones on the GT350s, since I guess it kind of has some GT350 accents, if you can tell from the little fangs, I guess, there under the bottom of the bumper. But it's not gonna have that much stripes because obviously the whole roof of it is glass. Maybe just the beginning of it, and then at the very end where the spoiler's at, and all the way down to where the blue ends. So it's gonna look good. It's gonna have two white racing stripes with a black 1/4 inch pinstripe. So I'm pretty sure nobody's done this to an Edge, so it's gonna be something new, and I hope you guys like it, like the outcome. This is my first time doing stripes. It's not my first time working with vinyl, but I've never taken a class before, so I'm just pretty much learning from CK Wraps on YouTube. All right, so we're gonna get started, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so what I did is that kind of taped them, put some tape on the hood as straight as possible. Then what I'm gonna do is that I am gonna, let's see, mark the little edges like this. Over here also. And just peel that end off, and then put it over here, kind of like the same area where I marked it, and that's what's going to give me the center. I saw this in one of the CK Wrap videos. Props to the guy that is really good at explaining these things. Only thing about my hood is that it's got like this little curve right here, which is kind of hard to get the tape right. So what I'm going to do, after I supposedly found the center, I'm gonna measure the heck out of it, see if it's right before I start putting in some vinyl stripes. All right, so stay tuned with the progress. It's gonna be a long night. Alright, so got the center line going. It's gonna be an inch and almost 3/8. Got the wrap cut. What is it called? Yep, wrap cut. Already getting started. So now what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna get the measurement from here on over 6 3/4. From here on over also 6 3/4. Not sure how I'm gonna do it. I'm not sure if I should do it just with the wrap cut or if I should just throw another line of tape. Guess I'll do a little bit of research before I continue, but yep, finally this far. All right, so finally got the layout ready. Got all the wrap cut ready. 6 3/4 each stripe. The gap between it is 1 3/8. The exact measurement of a GT 350. Might just knock out this top portion tonight. It's kind of late. It's like 11. But tomorrow I'll do the bottom area and I'll do the back and a little bit of the roof. Only the certain areas where I can put the stripes. So we got the vinyl here, gloss white from Vivid, bought it on Amazon. Yeah, you just can't stop looking at this card. It looks so sexy. All right, so wish me luck. This is my first time doing stripes. I've done a couple of my longboards in I wrapped them in vinyl, but it's nothing compared to doing it on a $50,000 car. All right, so wish me luck. All right, so we got the stripes done. It took me all this. I had a 5-year-old temper tantrum a while ago. I just could not do it all at once. I had to do a stripe at a time. Luckily, that's the hardest part to do. I am serious, dude. Props to whoever does vinyl wrap. This is hard. But I do like the outcome. It's let's say it's 85%, like an 8 out of 10 I would give myself. I'm just surprised I got the center perfect. I mean, if you walk up to it, of course you're gonna see all the slight imperfections in the in where I use the wrap cut. I mean, on this side, I'll be able to cover it with the with a 1/4-inch black pinstripe. Looks all right. So I think it's like 1 o'clock right now. I've been on this all day, watching some Found Flicks. It's 2 o'clock actually. I was able to get the center for the rest of the pieces, so I'll be on this tomorrow, and I hope you like the outcome. I mean, so far so good. I like it. I really like it. Wow. I'm surprised with the outcome. Looks great. All right, guys. So I guess this is all for today. Continue tomorrow. And good night, everybody.